Hi, I'm Dr. Leo Stouter, and this is Anatomy on the Beach. So let's talk about the bones of the skull. Now remember that we have cranial bones and we also have facial bones. The cranial bones are going to be covering the brain, and the facial bones are going to be creating the face. Let's look at these different bones. First of all, we have the parietal bones. These two parietal bones are partitional bones. So they're going to partition the top part of the skull. We also have a bone in front called the frontal bone. The frontal bone obviously is going to be in the front of our skull, with the occipital bone being in the back of our skull. On the side, we have the temporal bone. The temporal bone is going to be creating our ear, or is going to have the ear within it. We're also going to be having then the facial bones. We have, for instance, the maxilla or maxillary bone. We also have the mandible. And we also have a number of other bones, such as the zygomatic bone. And when we look at the zygomatic bone, we see that it has a process, and that process is called the temporal process, whereas the temporal bone has a process called the zygomatic process. Together, these two guys create the zygomatic arch.